It's your girl Kristine, my angel, and welcome back to the channel. So first I'm doing is powdering her eyes. I just want to try a new method, you guys. I don't know why. And then I first started off using this NYX pencil, but it didn't work out, so I just switched to my brow gel by Elf Cosmetics, and I'm just outlining her brows and filling them in on each side, you guys. This is my first time recording client makeup, as you say. But I'm so happy I did. And I'm just outlining her brows with my concealer, y'all. She forgot her concealer at home, so I had to use mine, and I'm a little darker, so we made it work, but it was a little weird. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer and J9 and the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. Now I'm going in with the deep purple shade, and I'm packing on the outside of her eye, more like in a circle motion of both of her eyes. That'll be my first color. Now I'm going into my second shade, which is just deep purple, and I'm tapping it right on top of the outer skirts of the purple, just to blend it out so it can have some dimension. And I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush and also blend out the two shades together. Now I'm going in with both of the shades that I previously used, and I'm using it to blend out the edges of that cut crease I just made. Now I'm just using both of the shimmers, and I'm just packing on eyelids, you guys. Now I'm just applying the glitter using Duo Lash Glue. And sorry for the music, y'all. I literally got copyrighted on my last video for using, like, the free music. So on my videos, I'm really not going to be using any music. So you guys just going to have to listen to my voice. But yeah, I'm just doing her concealer now, you guys. It was so hard because she is so goofy, y'all. Like, it took us a long time just to finish this makeup. But watch it in, y'all see the outcome. It came out so cute, y'all.